Hello to everyone, good evening, good morning, good day, whenever you watch this video. Now it's 23:39 on January 3rd, 2017. Just half an hour ago, there was a strong earthquake south of Fiji Islands. Sorry, 7.0 Richter scale, although that's quite shaky ground. And what did I say? That I will expect few days after New Year strong earthquake. Here it is, 7.0. I did expect this one, and I told you in my previous video somewhere, you can go back and listen if you want, that I expect a strong earthquake for the New Year or a few days after the New Year's, because this is a traditional earthquake. It's always happen in these days after midnight, or during the usually also during the New Year on the 1st of January. Now, how many times I can make or set up or fraud you or deceive you to all data that I'm presenting to you, it's match my theory. Well, I can't, because there is no such a liar in the world, or no such a deceiver or magician who can make that these data always match my theory. And I'm going to show you some really amazing things. I mean, really amazing things. Now, let me first show you this one, because I mean, this is something incredible. Let me go to the animation, because this is the only way that I can show you this. This is an extra, something extra that I'm going to show you. Just a moment. So now it's watch this area here. The earthquake was here. Okay, earthquake was here. Now watch this and the hour. So this is the 10 in the evening. Look at that here. Do you see that here? Look the length of it. So we can easily calculate the length, because this is something, it's until the 30 degrees south and about, what is this, 15 degrees north. So let's see what is the length of this. Let's see if this is a coincidentally match the measure of this comet here. Look at where this is. It's not anymore on the north. So let me see. Let's take a Google Earth, and we're first going to measure this, and then we go on. I'm going to show you something amazing. Oh, wait. I'm running very much program that. So, what we need here, it's just a moment, clear, and yes. So what did I say here? We got like this, and I'm going to blow this. So we said what? Let's go a bit back. Great. Okay. Now we got what here? Let me see this one more time. This is 30 south, 15 north, or let's say even 20. That will be 20 north. 20 north. Okay. 15 south, 20 north. This is north, and this is south. 30. So tools, ruler, from here to here. this is 6,000 kilometers. This one is 6,000 kilometers. And this is twice longer than the thing that we saw on the north, but twice, exactly twice. And look where this is, look at the position of it. And this is 10 o'clock in the evening. And the earthquake was on, just a moment, let's click on it. 10:52, this is 1 hour forward. 1 hour forward. 10:51, 21:52 is 22:52 in Croatia. Okay, now watch this very carefully. One more time, we go here to mimic. And let's go back a bit. Because if I go back, watch how this is moving, but it's covered with some, you see that here? It's here now. '21, it's here. 22, that's 11 UTC. So this is very, very near to this area, in fact, or it's not. This is, I found this very, very curious. And here, do you see that here? Do you see that here on the YouTube? I don't know. Aha, it's here. It's here. Do you see that here? Do you see that here? This is 12 UTC. Something is here, but it's covered. Okay, it doesn't matter because I just want to show you this between the lines. I'm going to show you the real deal. So, here we are. Let me show you something. This is the moon. Just a moment. I will mark the moon so you will see the moon. Earth. Moon. Okay, moon is here. You see the moon here? Excellent. Now, we can spread this to be larger so you can see it better. This is the orbit of the comet Panstarrs C 2014 View 3 W3, sorry, W3, which at 10:39, which is 13 minutes prior to the earthquake, was above the epicenter, which is here, south of Fiji Island. This is the epicenter, the hit place. You see that here? Now I can blow this more for you, and I will show you something amazing. So let me calculate first the moon and this is the moment of the earthquake. This is the real moment of the earthquake. It is earthquake was made in the air in that moment, and I will prove that to you. Now watch. Hit place, moon. What is the angular separation? Just a moment. Here it is. Angular separation, it's a 90 degrees. How interesting, isn't it? So 90 degrees rules, it rules. 90 degree, 7 Richter scale, south of Fiji Islands. But how? We are not finished. Here is the Panstarrs C 2014 W3, which is in a angular separation with a hit place 187 degrees, which is 180 degrees. I mean, it's a 2 times 90, or if you wish, this is the 90 degrees rule. And this 7, it's a tolerance between this exactly alignment, in a case that this was also 180 degrees, this earthquake will be over 8 Richter scale, maybe even more. So this 7 degrees, it's a joker card for this earthquake. You know, it's a joker, it's a bonus. Here it is, 180, 187 degrees. And one more time, let's go to the moon. So now, all the situation is completely predictable with the software, because if we go back now in the time, for example, before New Year, the software will find this combination, and the software will alert that on this place, right in 22:39:46, it will be the 7 Richter scale earthquake because of the Panstarrs W3 and because of the moon in this position. And there will not be that will be in this area here. No, it will be exactly here where is the heat place. And this is what I'm talking about. I am lucky to show you all this in one screen, because the moon, it may be behind the globe and you won't see the moon. But that doesn't mean that moon won't be in a certain position, which is the 90-degree position. So this is the perfect earthquake. This is the perfect example. And I'm showing you this because it's impossible for me to put 3 points in that position, that angular position. It's match my earthquake. I mean this earthquake. I didn't measure this one. Let me see. It's nothing. Okay. So once again, this is 187. This is 90 degree. Just a moment. This is 90 degree. Sorry, I drew the line. Not here. Just a moment. Yes. This is 90 degree match. Okay? You see that? So this is the 7 degree magnitude earthquake. And you can talk whatever you want. You can make theory whatever you want. But this, what I'm showing you here, is a fact. And not only that is a fact, it's something that I can show you. No some toony balloony stories about some plasma from the sun coming here and you see nothing. Because you can see clearly the orbital projection of this object. You can see the position of the comet. You see the moon, position of the moon. You see orbit of the moon, and you see exactly angular separation, which is 90 degrees from here and 187 degrees from this here, which is both 90 degrees rule. I got nothing to tell you. So what I did, I predicted this earthquake before the new year, because I said it will be around the new year, and that means very close to the new year. And today it's Thursday, only 2 days prior to this earthquake. And earthquake match my theory in a epicenter, in the cause of the earthquake, and in the angular separation. Thank you very much and good night.